Alright, man, come with that now. Come no, man.
You should have given me the last answer, the last question. This or that.
Yeah.
You would eat shit or Hey, you with me, baby, you know this straight up. Violator get a head bust like cake cut. Love you, baby. What do them? Think of chattings. Bang, bang, boom.
What's good, YouTube? You don't know your girl Ali the brightest, so.
And you're done to see the king, though.
Yes, guys. So from seeing at the title, you don't know we're doing the this or that video. This video was recommended by a subscriber, Alicia's Royalty. Go over there and check her out.
Check her out.
Yeah, guys. She actually did one on her.
Check her out.
She actually did one on her channel as well, and it's good, right?
So in the title, we're gonna put at Alicia's Royalty.
Yeah. And guys, feel free to follow us on Instagram. Give us the prank ideas, whatever you want to see. We just might do it. You understand? So let's get into it. You don't know, rock paper scissors to see who is gonna go first, and then we'll just jump right in at this. Ready? Remember, Team Ali in the comment section down below.
From what I say Team Ali, so King Mo say King&Ally. Ready?
Ready? Rock paper scissors. Looking at the camera and don't look.
Oh, yes, a thief, Bridget. Yo.
Rock paper scissors shoot. Rock paper. Yeah, go too fast. Come on. Rock paper scissors shoot. See my watch me. Rock paper scissors shoot. Alright, me I gonna make him go first.
Me, you want to go first?
Yeah.
You really want me to go first?
Whatever, come
Alright.
on.
This or that? Mommy or daddy?
Mommy. Guys, correct me if I'm wrong. It's always mommy's, right? It doesn't matter how daddy did it for you, but always mommy. This or that, dumpling or rice?
Rice better because the flour too starchy. Rice have less starch in it.
But then again, dumpling will better. But dumpling will better.
I agree, dumpling fully up, but rice more healthier.
Alright, come.
This or that? In the summertime, beach or river?
River all the way. I don't like beach because I don't like salt water.
Okay.
I don't like salt water.
The worst not like the salt water either. Because the salt water, when you go in the salt water and you come out, you look scaly like fish.
I say,
Mash up your skin.
black
guys.
and ugly.
Mash up your skin. So, all who love water, river the best choice.
River settings, right?
Talk
Yes,
to it, man.
so.
What you have to say now?
Alright, this or that, one for game. Car or house?
Come on, that's a common sense. If you pick here, you're a fool. What a big stone. What?
Alright, then
How's the thing
good
there,
investments we take.
How's the thing there? Investment over braffing.
Hey!
Farming over flossing.
Alright!
Go inside, girl, breathe up. Try support that little.
Yes, guys.
Bang, bang, boom.
Come.
I mean, just ask.
It's me just ask you.
Oh, sorry. Oh, yeah, free. Me never.
Come on, man.
Alright, what you?
Sure.
Alright. This or that? Son or daughter?
Well, first, I want a son. Because I don't have no brother, guys. So I want a son.
You hear that? Young king.
Oh my God! Wow!
I want a son. Because I don't have no brother, guys. So I want a son.
You hear that? Young king.
Alright.
Young king.
This or that. One for you.
Anything you want, give me, you know.
Shorts or pants?
Alright.
What's your go-to favorite? Shorts or pants?
Guys, back then I was a pants lover. But she can't answer that. She can't give a test to this say yo from where they are just the shorts them there rock. Short pants and fit it. In a white t-shirt we did it.
Hey!
We rock them wave to the limit. Uptown. Same so we do it up what more. Bang, bang, boom.
Come on, your
Talk
time.
truth no man. Alright.
Yeah.
You see like how she gone in a dress code. Watch this. Cause I don't know more people want to know follow me like Instagram. See? You remember?
Come on.
Alright. Granny frock. Gurgle.
Me da go with granny frock.
Gurgle keep in a belly, you know.
No man, me da go with granny frock. Cause guess what? Hey, you don't know how for bad up things. Alright.
Use the Anton fashion.
That me I talk about. These are that knockoff or original.
Why shop a Louis V when there is a target? You go Fendi for trendy.
Alright.
Bank account here empty.
Right.
I say go down and Mr. Chin for the
Yeah.
want a shoes over 8 grand. I
Yeah.
go down and Mr. Chin for the one at the same price as the straight pants. So we go and work with the knockoff till me can buy a real.
Alright then.
That not so yeah. So why am I gonna buy something for 50,000?
Guys, me not agree with him. Me rather know weird.
Stop it. Get some help.
I'm gonna do this.
But on a big man level still, guys, me rather on a real level. The reason why me go that way is because you have enough people we can't really afford it. But the
if you
reality
can't
is this.
afford
The
it,
reality
work
is
with what in
this.
your
The reality is this.
Work with
Better you
what is in
spend
your
50
budget.
grand buy a good shoes than go spend $1,000 every month you have to buy a new one.
And then again, to guys, work with what is in your budget. If you know you can't afford that, work with what you can afford.
You have some good cheap shoes though, you know, but they're hard to find.
Work with what you can afford. That's the moral of the story.
To find.
Work with what you can afford. That's the moral of the story. Come.
But me rather go and work with the knockoff till me can buy the brand. That's the reality.
Come man and give me it.
My time.
Yeah.
White man, shut up! Sure, people hear him, hear him. Alright, this or that. King or Ali?
I will make Uno answer that one day. You never know say we that come for one for Uno.
King or Ali?
Team Ali in the comment section all day, every day.
So
Yeah.
here what I'm going to tell you now, so drop the comment there. We not answer that phone. King or Ali?
Yeah.
So drop that down in the comment
And guys,
section.
I want to give you no reason why you choose either one away.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Spam it up.
Come, you have to give me one cause that for them. Come on.
Alright, watch it now. Every time you now go downtown, you know, you see me? And when up on the bus I come over. You have some people who walk and sell some little things. See? But you have some for $50 and me love them. This or that. The Lay's or the Dorito.
That one they kinda hard, you know, guys. Cause guess what? I love Doritos, but then again so the cheese lays be busting. You feel me?
So all I know about that's something that we talk about now. Big shout out to you because remember.
Big up to all of the hustlers them out there.
Yes.
They say you hustle and earn your honest
Miss
bread,
bread.
then you go so in a cell. You feel me?
Talk to.
Feed
Bang,
them
bang,
up to
boom.
eat.
Your time.
Alright then. What me I gonna ask you now? Alright. This or that, white chocolate or dark chocolate?
Dark chocolate good for man, so I'm gonna go dark chocolate.
Alright
Because the
then.
bittersweet good for the money, good for the pencil, you see me guys? So all of them young man that we say, oh, want boot sex drive, dark chocolate.
Ready up.
Dark chocolate, it not have no milk in it, it's dark. Dark. And you know some man say them dark and bingo. Dark chocolate. Alright guys, so right now, this or that.
Yeah.
You'd rather date a madman or hang yourself.
Nothing wrong with the man. We date him and clean him up.
Remember, you know, this man walk naked.
So, nothing wrong. Put clothes
when
on
him
him.
sleep, him shit when him sleep, piss when him sleep, or you rather but hang yourself.
This or that.
This or
I
that.
would go with the man. He might not be mad, but he's homeless.
Let me tell you what is this, because you now come straight. This is the madman, or that is for hang yourself.
The madman, how much time you got hear you deaf?
Good, but that's why I get it.
Guys, the person might not be physically mad or mentally mad.
Can be
They
homeless.
just might be homeless and them just can't help themselves and them give up on life. So you shining light on them, that's good. And if you are past them, guys, give a helping hand where you can give it.
Yeah. You can support them.
Yeah.
Down at King Street or around Harbour Street.
Wherever.
or
If you're
down
not
on the
from the
waterfront.
Kingston area, it
Help them
doesn't
out.
matter. It don't matter, guys. If you can't help them, you help them. No watch no face for say where them are weird or whatever, you help them.
You see me? Because if you watch your people out here, guys, that's why the China man and the rich man always sidestep on and go around on because when you use an eye.
Yeah.
When you live off on an eye.
Critical thinking, guys. Critical
You have to
thinking.
be smart in the
Alright,
earth.
ready. This or that. Cake or ice cream?
Cake or ice cream. Two of them sweet. None of them not healthy. Which one more healthy, guys? Cake or ice cream? Alright. The cake. I'm gonna go with a vegan cake. Yeah, a vegan cake.
Alright.
So I'm gonna go cake.
Come.
This or that.
Let's go. Bring it on.
She said, bring it on. Bring it on. Oh, bring it on.
Hey.
Bring it on, girl king. Bring it on.
Hey.
Bring it on. Bring it on.
Come on.
All right. This or that.
Yeah. Come.
YouTube or King.
Guys, you don't know the answer for that. You don't
Maybe
know
not looking at
the
the camera.
answer for
Maybe
that.
not look there, so I have to turn my head around there, so.
The answer gonna be King.
Oh.
King.
Oh.
The answer will always be King, guys, because before YouTube it's always been us. You feel me?
Talk to. Watch this, guys. Watch this. Hey, dancing dynamite ready for me next year. They can't hold me.
Alright,
You think
guys.
you on this, sir?
Dirt. Dirt.
Yo, them dead.
Alright, guys, so we have two more and then we're gonna just close this off. Remember, spam the comment section, DM us in our Instagram, all that good stuff. So ready your time.
I mean, ask this or that a while ago. I never mean
Oh
ask.
yeah, you are.
I can't tell them what I mean ask a while ago.
Alright, this are that East Indian mango or Julie mango.
Why am I not go Julie now? Wipe on Julie.
No, the kid is the bad doctor.
Why am I not go Julie now? Wipe on Julie. Me,
East Indian mango every day, all day. The best mango that.
the one with the long nice shape mango there.
East Indian
You see me?
mango.
What she talk about East Indian, Iced Indian.
Whatever.
See me?
Come.
So now go. My turn.
Yeah, final.
Final. I mean, you get the chance to give the final question.
Yeah.
Yo! What did she do, guys? This is so epic. Okay. This or that.
Mm-hmm. Alright, man, come with that now. Come no man.
You should have given me the last answer. The last question. This or that.
Yeah.
You woulda eat shit or no God! Eat shit or cause I know you're not deal with them thing, yeah? So you woulda eat shit or you woulda smoke ganja and drink rum.
Guys, smoking and drinking is not bad, you know. It's how you abuse it. You feel me?
Answer the question.
So me that go smoking and drinking.
Nah, eat no shit.
No. One a day, nothing wrong.
They say one spliff a day and a one shot of rum and you're good to go.
Not even a one spliff, two puff. I'm
Two
done.
puff and you're done.
Puff, I'm out.
I'm out.
Yes.
Alright guys, alright.
Yes, guys, you never expect me for answer it so good enough, but this was critical thinking. Yes, guys. So, you don't know, I could not only like this video. This was requested by one of our subscribers, Alicia's Royalty, as we said before. So, if you
Alicia,
have any...
See we do it there. We are do it.
Hey.
We are do it.
Yes,
we are
guys.
do it. We are do it.
I
See we
remember-
do it there. See we do it there. See we do it there. See we do it there. We are do
Not
it.
done.
We are do it.
Not
We
done.
are do it. Come, Alicia Royalty, big up yourself.
Yes, guys, I will have some bomb challenges coming for you guys. So remember to follow, share out the videos, and remember most of all, like and drop a comment down below so that we know that you're
And we are
there
pinning her in the description,
watching.
guys. So I'm going to see her link
Yeah. So what we want to know for do
for the
is
same challenge. So you can watch her challenge too. Sorry for cut you.
yes,
For the
guys.
same challenge.
So
Yeah, man, for the same challenge.
alright.
You never hear me tell you, man, for the same challenge. The video running in your attack. Alright, I'm not saying no more. The way I do. See guys, some of our ticket. The prank is epic. It's a 2-in-1 this. So you get prank plus we just do a challenge. That one is epic.
That week. How is that getting pranked?
So now just get a reaction.
That
we just
week.
butt in at everything and get a reaction.
That week.
We just butt in at everything and get an epic reaction a while ago. And the people
Comment
them
down
see.
below, guys, and tell him say that week. That
Alright.
week, that not carry no weight.
That was the revenge. I just had to warm up that.
That not carry no weight. Team Ali all day, every day. Remember that. So when I want to know for the guys, you don't know the regular, put God first in whatever you do. Never let anybody tell you that you cannot do it. Believe in yourself and ask the Lord for the strength, the courage, the wisdom, knowledge and understanding.
You see a JC there from my Tatam, that means general for the country. So comment Team King. And remember guys, what some man where you're par with some girl where your wife up, my friend give me a knife cut. Bang! Bang! Boom!
We're out.